advantages that you were able to milk personally from this game?
To be really honest, nag-focus lang talaga kami sa sarili namin. Nag-focus kami sa team. Alam namin na they're coming up 6-week winning streak. But then again, we just focus on ourselves. We can still control our standing, our destiny.
Yeah, fight in the top four. Yeah.
So in any upcoming games, parang same mentality. We just really want to focus on our identity, our offense, our defense. So looking ahead, ganun pa rin yung mindset namin. Our focus yung growth namin as a team. When we lost, pag natatalo kami, we watch film and we see where we can improve. So as long as I'm proud of the guys, man. As long as we stay disciplined, we execute the triangle, we play defense first. Malaki yung chance. There's a chance that we get the